policies pursuant to Section 64, Rule 21 of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of the RA 11917 as amended during the period of April 17, 18, 19, 24, and 25, 2024 with accredited 56 hours. Given this 25th day of April 2024 at Okada, Manila, signed by our Training Officer, Ms. Sheila Goray, and Training Director, Ms. Heidi Pangilayan.
Okay, for this video mga ka-59, mga ka-bodyguard, nandito nga tayo ngayon sa Okada, Manila para tunghayan ang isa na naman pong batch na natapos na ng kanilang training. Sila po yung mga internal security ng Okada, Manila. No? Mayroon po silang enhancement training at ang nagkikater po niyan walang iba kundi ang ating training school, Bosta Security Training Center. Po si Ma'am Sheila ang ating training officer. Siyempre ang inyong lingkod. At ang mga pinapaturo natin ditong mga instructor ay yung knowledgeable talaga at expert na sa kanilang mga subject na tinuturo. Okay? Siyempre, sa pamumuno ng ating boss, Police Colonel Tercio C. Escobar, nakikater po natin ito ng maayos at nabibigyan po natin ng tamang kaalaman ang ating mga ka-59 dito sa Okada, Manila. Kaya, tunghayan natin ang graduation ng ating mga ka-59 dito. Ito na, let's go!
Na-expand pa po yung sa pagdating sa reporting. So, meron pa ng mga ibang steps tayo na kailangan para ma-achieve yung completeness ng report. So, para sa akin po magandang opportunity yun na para sa amin, then since kami yung nasa frontline reporting din kami, ma-expand talaga yung ano namin, mga vocabulary din sa pag-report. Then, maganda rin to para may turo rin sa iba naming mga kasamahan para maging aware din sila sa reporting namin. That's all for me sa akin. Talagang tumatak sa akin.
Even though nasa office kami, so marami akong nakuhang knowledge like the physical security and then yung additional knowledge namin na paggawa ng reports and investigation. Kasi us, we're supporting the division. So office work po kasi kami. So mas maraming knowledge yung nakuha namin today. So sana yung mga nasa office, back office, parang kami back office, malaman din nila para at least yung pag-support dun sa mga nasa front line, mas may intindihan. So yun po. Thank you.
Next, we have congratulations also to Miss Veronica Edna Basilio. Congratulations also to Mr. Leo Paulos. We would also like to congratulate Miss Realyn Berina. We would also like to give the certificate of completion to Marvy Nuki Castillo. Congratulations also to Jerry Cortez. We would also like to congratulations first to Mr. Florante Clos. Congratulations also to Mr. Jerry Cortez. Congratulations also to Miss Mayan de Lamputi. Congratulations also to Miss Eva Rose Di Palo. Congratulations also to Mr. Leo Di Tablan. This certificate of completion is also awarded to Mr. Ricardo Pia.
And our partner from Bosta, Colonel Tercio Escobar and Company, and the Assistant Training Manager.
Of course, our partner in this endeavor, the Bosta Training School, palapakan natin si Fritz, of course, ang ating napakagandang Assistant Training Manager, si Sarah G. Ito yung kung ano yung deployment ng ating mga security and safety measures sa bawat event. And then of course, yung ating finance assistant manager.